I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making the connection reliable. Charge the AirPods Pro 2 case to at least 50% and place the buds inside. Make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS and unlocked. Once done, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and keep the AirPods within a few inches of the phone. You're starting the automatic update flow. You don't trigger it manually. Keep the case open and the iPhone awake so the devices can exchange firmware. You'll continue by creating the exact conditions Apple's update system requires. Leave the AirPods in the case with the lid open and keep your iPhone unlocked and awake nearby. Once these conditions are met, the firmware will install automatically. You don't press a button to start it. Make sure your phone stays connected to Wi-Fi and power if possible, because the download happens on the phone. After a short wait, check Settings, Bluetooth, tap your AirPods, and verify the firmware version. You'll finish by confirming the update and testing performance. Verify the firmware version in Bluetooth settings and test noise cancellation, transparency, and spatial audio. If the firmware didn't update, restart your iPhone, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then recreate the earlier conditions. Open the case, keep the phone unlocked, and wait. If that still fails, perform an AirPods reset. Put them in the case. Hold the setup button for about 15 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.